Okay, today I'm gonna do a slick, like braid ponytail, and I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. If you have thick hair like me, the key to that really slick look is one of the boar bristle brushes. I got this literally at Dollarama in Canada, but it really gives that more like smooth look versus a brush like this will like still have some like streaky lines in it. So boar bristle brush is the key to slickness. So you want to pull your hair up like halfway from your head like that. Take the boar bristle and see like how smooth it is, and pull it all back and tie it with a ponytail. Once that is locked in, I take some hair oil. As you can see, my hair is like the frizzy type, and add hair oil into my ends so that the braid is nice and smooth. Oh my god, I need so much. My hair is like too much right now. I need a haircut so bad. But the one I'm using is Vor Hair Care hair oil. It's great. But take that all the way through the pony. From that point, we're doing a traditional braids. Take 3 chunks and begin braiding all the way down to the end, and then just secure it with a clear elastic. If your hair is a bit thinner, you can go to the braid and kind of loosen the pieces. I like to loosen the bottom pieces because they're not as thick. Mine is pretty thick though, so I usually leave the top ends. Last step is just to hairspray. I'm using Vor Hair Care again with Rainforest Mist. I love this one for slick hairstyles. Just spray it here and kind of sleek it. You can see better there. And then I do throw a little bit onto the pony itself and kind of make sure all the loose ends are in. That's it. That's how I do the slick braid pony. I love this hairstyle. It's so chic. Now I just need to pick an outfit.